This is the Sargent signature. This is the LFIC format. So pins 3 and 4 function the control sleeve. And that is the operating key, obviously. So I'll try to get it picked to both. And 7's binding, or 6. I think there's 6 pins in here. There. 5 is a really low one. Two is binding. There's 1. That was 3. I think these they might be set. Something dropped. I heard something drop. Six was still good. 1's good. 2's good. Three dropped. It's 3 and 4. So that is operating. It's getting stuck on something. Side pin was causing it to bind. So now I'm going to try to take it to control. Yeah, we'll see. So 6 is binding again first, obviously. I overset 5, trying to set it the first time. All right. There's 1 and 2. And 4, I think. To drop him, I think I had 4 at the operating shear line. All right, there we go. So I'll go ahead and get this thing gutted. And a chance to use my new pinning tray that Wild Billiam surprised me with. I just got this in the mail today from him. Did not know he was doing that, so big thanks to Wild Billiam for a very cool tray. Nice raised 3D logo and lettering. Very nice. I'm gonna lock that back up. And might be able to just slide the cap off of it. Or maybe not. I don't know. I'm just going to do this the hard way. Oh, that clip shot across the room. Knew that was going to happen. Which one is this? This is control. So here is operating. Going to, I don't know why that plug kind of got stuck when I picked it to operating on that side pin got stuck. I'm not sure what on, so I'm going to try to get a shim in there. So I don't brick anything. I don't know if it's going to go in between that control sleeve. Such a tight fit. Hopefully this shim doesn't bend on me when it folds over. It's about impossible to get in there like that. Okay, well, that's as far in as that's going. I think that is maybe not the right size. And it barely fits in there. Barely fits in there. All right, well, I haven't dropped anything yet. All right, so there's the key pins. Obviously that key's not going to pull out of there because of that sidebar on the bottom. I really like all the slots on this pinning tray. That is very handy. Hopefully that other spring stayed up in the plug. There is that sidebar. And there is the other one. Looks like that spring is in there. If I can get these out without losing them. Maybe I just leave them in there and just be really careful and remember that they're in there, but those two springs are still in. I don't remember if these side pins, yeah, I don't think they come out. Yeah, they don't come out. So make sure that these springs, they're still in there. I'm going to leave those in there. Start in the back, since this is the side that has the slot. These are all going to be standard pins. Then obviously we're going to have the double stack on 4 and 3. Just don't want to mix those up. So that is the bottom one. That is the top one up by the spring. That is that bottom one. The other one is not sticking through far enough for me to grab. I'm going to take everything else out first so I don't mix them up. And there it is. That was the top one on 3. See that long spring probably. No, it probably does go on 1. Or maybe 7. Or 6. I keep saying 7. Yeah, I'll just put that one there. Okay, so there is housing control sleeve. So real similar to Medico, that it goes counterclockwise. Well, Sargent, I believe, also obviously goes counterclockwise, but Sargent and Medico are the only ones that I'm aware of that go counterclockwise to open, to control. That goes in there like that because, nope, I had it right the first time looking at it backwards. Maybe, no, that is right. Yep. So bam, right there. Now they're lined up for control. Okay. Well, that's it. Just standard drivers. Pretty cool. Dual sidebars that interact with the side pins there. Didn't really need to pick much of them. I think I only set 2 of them unless I accidentally hit them with the hook. But that is the Sargent signature LFIC.